Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdul Surzatullah, NIM 2024 062. And here I am want to explain my project making a borrowing web in laboratory. First, we need to start the XMPP control panel. I'll already start it. Maybe I will go to my local host and show you my database first. Yes, I have inventory lab database. I have a barang table, peminjaman, and users. First, I will explain you about the users table. The first table, this table is stores account information including the user ID, username, password, and role. The role is very I will show you. Maybe we have a ID, username, and password, and role. This role is very important because it determines the access level of each user. If the role is admin, the user will have permission to manage laboratory equipment and borrowing requests. If the role the users can only view available item, submit borrowing request, and check the borrowing history. Okay, I will next to the next table, which is peminjaman table. Peminjaman table is record every borrowing transaction made by users. It stores the user ID, borrowed item, the borrowing status, and its author related information. The status changes automatically during the borrowing process, right from pending, then approve or reject, and finally return when the item has been returned to the laboratory. And last is item table or barang table. This table is enabled to store all laboratory equipment. Its record contain the item ID, item name, stock, and location. Maybe I will next to my coding session. I will open my VS Code. My file is inventory lab. First, I will explain you about the very important code in Connexi PHP. This Connexi, and this is my name and my name. The Connexi PHP is the one of the most important of all this program because it establishes the connection between the PHP program and the MySQL database. Instead of writing the database in every code connection literally on every page, we can place it in a single code, which is connection PHP. And this coding is already connected to the XMPP because this Connexi PHP is localhost root inventory lab. This is my database. And next I will explain you the login PHP. The login PHP is the first page of the display. We have so many table in here, so many coding. I mean, this is the box, the background, margin, padding, border radius. This is the first page on the display. And next I will next to the login process. Login process is responsible for processing the login request. First, the program will start a session to remember the user's login information during the current session. Next is connect to the database and receive the username and password, submit the login form. Okay, I will next to my admin PHP. This is file is saved as administration dashboard, and this main control of the center application. On this page, the administration can add new laboratory equipment, there is a necessary item, and fill all borrowing. Next is user same as admin PHP. The difference is the access limit. The admin can edit all the dashboard, can add the items, and the users is only can borrow and checking a status, already spending, whether is pending or accept or the delay. This pinjam is for borrowing, disconnected to koneksi PHP. Approve is when the admin want to approve the borrow, we need this program. Update status, and we have so many program in here. Maybe I will go to my dashboard to show you the program. So localhost, inventories lab login. First, maybe I will show you the users. I mean the users dashboard first. Login and password. In the users, we can only borrow and check the borrowing status. For example, maybe I will borrow the mouse Logitech from Gudang. I will press the borrow. When Logitech is already pending. Okay, maybe I will log out and log in for the admin dashboard. Okay, okay, so the difference is admin can add an item, can add them. Maybe I will add a Acer Nitro V15. Stock is 5 maybe. Location is Esaki. And we have Acer Nitro Esaki, and the pending progress is status from the before. If we have a mouse Logitech status pending, we can approve or delete this. Maybe I will approve, and we approve it, and maybe we will check to the user. And we have a approve status pinjaman. Okay, maybe that's it for my video. I hope you enjoy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.